Use Eclipse software. Eclipse software is a program that helps programmers to develop different types of software. Eclipse is a collection of tools that is made up of plugins and IDEs, integrated development environment. It is written in Java and available for computers that are running on the Windows operating system, Linux, and Mac. The Eclipse software can be extended to be used for other purposes. Here are some tips on how to use the Eclipse software. Eclipse framework. Eclipse software is a group of tools that work together to make each part more useful. The different parts that make up the software are called plugins. These plugins can be added to a computer system based on the person's use for the software. There are several plugins that can be used to extend the uses of Eclipse software. Some of these are AnyLogic, a modeling tool, Fortran, an IDE for editing and debugging codes, Sybase Workspace, a development system, IBM WebSphere Studio Application Developer, and Smind, a presentation and brainstorming program. There are more plugins to choose from. These plugins work by installation within the Eclipse software. You can build your own plugin, or you can also download other plugins from developers from open source websites. Rich Client Platform. The Eclipse software has a rich client platform that is made up of different components in order for computer programmers to be able to create different programs for general use. There are 5 components that make up the rich client platform for Eclipse. These are namely the Equinox OSGI, the Eclipse Workbench, the JFace, the Standard Widget Toolkit, and the Core Platform. This makes it easier for the programmers to create different applications. The plugins that are installed with the software also aid the programmer in creating the different applications. Eclipse analogy. The Eclipse software can be likened to cars. Cars have a main framework and are made up of different components that enable it to run. The different components of the car are the plugins that make the Eclipse software complete or able to function. Programmers can develop their own plugin for the software. The first thing to do is to create a project. The code generated by the software can then be changed to create a new plugin. The third step is to build the plugin, and the fourth step is to install the plugin on the software. These are some of the tips on how to use the Eclipse software and what the software is made up of. A lot of programmers make use of the Eclipse software to be able to create different types of applications that are useful. It is one of the best software development tools that is available today. This is because the Eclipse software does not only aid in one aspect of software development, but it can also be customized based on the programmer's needs. This makes it the first choice for most software developers. There are different versions of this software that are available for download.